Welcome back to Nerd Chic. I'm going to do a box open for my latest Lenovo gaming computer. This guy has got the one of the hardcore AMD Ryzen cards in it. It's massive. I mean, we're talking about a kicktail ride for a computer. I'm using it for gaming and for virtualization and fun stuff. So this is just the box open. I'm gonna go ahead and get it open. This has got a really nice size screen. Incredible, it's a 14-incher. I mean, you can get bigger, but this is what I wanted. Okay, so I've got it cut open. Let's get this over here and let's see what's inside the box. While I'm getting this part undone here, which takes me a second sometimes, I do wanna say, don't forget, we have the website, askthenerd.net. Go check it out for more resources. And don't forget that we would love you to subscribe to our channel. Hit the comments and tell me if you've got a machine like this or what machine you use for your gaming. I love Alienware machines and that kind of stuff. Love to hear from it. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna unbox this guy. The way you're seeing is the way I'm seeing it. Here it comes. Wow. I love me some Lenovo. So there's the main machine. I'll pull it out in a second. Also coming out of the box is the power supply. Very Apple-like for this one, right? This is the newest of their PC lineup for this year. There's that. Be sure to always use the right power supplies with what you're using and doing. So here it is. There's the setup guide. This is the IdeaPad Slim 14-inch, and there's the safety and warning guide. Oh goodness, I could have gotten a 17-inch of this, but this one I want to be able to throw into a backpack. I do want it bigger, but it's bigger than like a 10 or 11-inch at least. Okay, and here's the machine itself. What I always love about Lenovo is they're, for the most part, very sturdy machines. This is a sturdy machine. It's lighter than even a Chromebook I just recently got with Lenovo, but it's durable. So I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, let's open her up and see what this looks like here. Oh yeah, beauty. Look at that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Lenovo services inside. And look, you can see that hardcore Ryzen Radeon graphics card. Hello, get ready to play some games. Okay, so this is my IdeaPad 3. You can see it comes with a privacy shutter. It's got Dolby audio. It's very, very sleek. I like the blue metallic color. This is a really incredible machine. And that is, guys, what's inside the box. So what I'm gonna do now is put all this here and end this video and say, don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic. I mean, if you like what you're seeing, if you're having fun with us, please subscribe to our channel. Give us some love. Give us a thumbs up or a like. And here's the other thing. Hit that website. See what other resources we have for you. We love, love, love having you with us. And so much more coming in the next while. So subscribe. You guys take care.